Hey guys, this is Calculus Family. In this tutorial, we have a problem here which says find the domain and range of the function below. If this is the first time here, please subscribe and watch this video to the end. So to find the domain and range of this function below, what type of function is this? This is what we call a piecewise function, okay? It has two different separate parts and over a different domain. So here from 0 to infinity, we are having um from zero. So here it's like this: from 0 to positive infinity, we are having the part of the function to be negative x plus 2, and from 0, this from negative infinity to 0, right? So from negative infinity to 0, we are having 2x plus 2. So let's try finding the domain of this function. So you know that for the domain, you simply have to find all the set of possible values that will make this function defined. And you clearly see that this part is from 0 to positive infinity. This part starts from negative infinity to 0. Therefore, our domain is simply and short from negative infinity to positive infinity. We take the extremes to cover up the entire range of values that's going to make this function defined. Let's try the range. To find the range is a little bit tricky. So what you are going to do is you take this domain, which is x is greater than or equal to 0, then you modify it to get the function here. So what do? We first multiply through by negative, right? So that gives us negative x is less than or equal to 0. Then the next thing is to add 2 on both sides so that I can get this function. That will give me negative x plus 2 is less than or equal to 2. Therefore, this function here is going to be less than or equal to 2. That means it's going to start from what? Negative infinity to inclusive. Then I'll come again for this side, x is less than 0. How do I modify to get 2x plus 2? I can do that by multiplying through by 2. So 2x is less than 0. Then I can add 2 on both sides, giving me 2x plus 2 is less than 2, right? So with this in mind, the range is simply 0 towards 2, but 2 is not inclusive. Therefore, we take the bigger range. That is from, sorry, this is negative infinity, not 0. So this is negative infinity, so negative infinity to 2. Therefore, the range is simply negative infinity to 2 inclusive. And that is all. Because range is all assigned output and it was assigned here at this part. So you have to include it. We just merge, okay? And that is all. Please subscribe and don't forget to share as well.